statistical test, which is equivalent to your Pearson correlation. We have your Sperman-Rho, which also tests for relationship between variables. So the two variables should be measured at the ordinal interval or ratio. There is a monotonic relationship between the two variables, and the variables need not be normally distributed. Okay, so Sperman-Rank correlation is not very sensitive to outliers, but there should be independence of observations. So for example, problem, a student organization surveyed both current students to obtain information on the quality of teaching at the university. An analysis of the responses provided the following teaching ability rankings. Do the rankings given by the current students agree with the rankings given by the recent graduates? Use alpha equals 0.10 and test for significant rank correlation. So it's a different alpha level. Okay, so this is your data. So this is professor 1 to 10. And then you have the current students ranking versus the recent graduate students ranking. Then you go to your SPSS. So this is now your variable view. Then we have current student and recent graduates. Okay, and then it's 0 and this is also 0. Okay, but this is scale and this is also scale. Okay, then you go here and you copy your data set. You go to your data view. And then you paste your data here. And then analyze, correlate, bivariate. And that's recent student and a current student and recent graduates. And this is Sperman-Rho. Then we're going to change the confidence interval. Point 90. Continue. Then click OK. Okay. So this is now your non-parametric correlation. Current student versus recent graduate. The correlation coefficient is 0.770, but the sig value is 0.009, less than 0.010 or 0.10, because that's the level of significance, meaning there is a positive significant relationship between, or significant positive relationship between your current student and recent graduate ranking, because this is 0.770. Okay, so that's the result. Okay, so the ranking of the current students agree with the rankings given by the recent graduates.